Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Mike Event 2024, where the stage becomes the epicenter for endless creativity. Be it poetry painting its own verses, shairi, stand up comedy, dramatic monologues, or resonating stories, there is something for everyone to relate with, connect with, and enjoy. So let's lay back and open our hearts to embark on a linguistic journey. Thank you. I am Rakshi.
Hello.
Hello, Manan.
Hello.
Both of you all are going to perform the genre stand-up comedy
Yes.
for this event. Well, Indrakshi, I want to ask you, how important is audience interaction to your performance time?
I feel like it is definitely very much important because it boosts the energy of the person who's performing out there. And yeah, if the script is relatable to the audience, then definitely they'll enjoy and they'll interact with you and they'll laugh. And I really wish I'm able to do so with the entire audience. And I hope they do laugh.
So it would be a fun set.
Yeah, definitely. I'm really excited. Quite nervous, but yeah, there's
That's-
much more excitement in
yeah.
this part.
Of course. Hi Manan, you're a first year student and you will be performing for the first time in this university. So, what was the most challenging part of your set this evening?
Most challenging part of the set was the preparation. कोई जोक चला नहीं तो बेइज्जती होती वो चीज़ अलग है और पंच लाइन ठीक से वर्क नहीं किया, कोई ठीक से प्लेस नहीं किया तो इट्स अ बिगेस्ट फियर जोक्स ऐसे होते कि चला तो चांद तक वरना रात तक.
Hi Israel. You're
Hello.
performing the genre storytelling or monologue today. Which one is it?
I'll be performing a monologue today.
Okay. So, in monologue, you're basically embodying a character, right? During an entire journey, was it difficult for you to embody the character that you'll be playing for us today?
I wouldn't call it difficult per se to embody the character of Mark Anthony, which I'll be playing today. I would say it's quite a lot of fun, to play the character.
Actually, there's this stigma as well that shairi is supposed to be sad and depressing and upset, or either romantic. Is there any third segment to shairi as a genre itself, or do you think all these things are false and shairi is nothing that the world understands?
No, I would say that you can be funny if you know how to write shairis.
Wow, you can be funny through shairis.
Yes, 100%.
Okay, this is a new thing I am learning, and let's hope we see this in your performance today as well.
In my performance, you'll see I'm basically romanticized the whole part of meeting someone you love,
Okay.
and he has been
I
talking
have a
about.
completely opposite side of him, you can say.
Okay. So we have an interesting evening filled with shairi today.
And also, I can say that shairi is that you can tell in the short form deep things, deep meaning things in the short form. You can see it in my writings.
Alright, thank you. Good evening. Today we have with here Manasvi, Yogesh, Aditi, and Sushil. They are all going to perform the genre poetry for this evening, and we have a small interactive game for them. Well, I'm going to say one word, and they're going to respond with the first thing that comes to their mind. I hope you're all ready. Yes, everyone's ready. First up is Manasvi. Manasvi, your word is canvas.
Opportunities.
Wow. Okay. Yogesh, your word is glass.
Fragile, just like my heart.
Oh my god, who broke it? I'm interested now. Alright. Aditi, your word is emotion.
Excited for the event.
Okay, she's excited for the event. Sushil, your word is ocean.
Ocean. That's her eyes. That's one.
Die Hard Romantic. We already have a poetry ready for us here. I hope you all are gonna do amazing, and maybe you all are nervous, but little bit. Yes, maybe not. But all the best for the event, guys. Thank you so much. art in its many forms has the undeniable power to inspire us. Tonight's mic event was a beautiful reminder of how personal stories, when shared with authenticity, can sparkle laughter, tears, and introspection. And for the next event, I hope perhaps more people will find the courage to step onto that stage and sparkle away. Thank you so much. I hope you had a great night.